One more, sure.
I'm not playing May ever again, Zach. You're playing May. Like, I don't know what's happened. The past like 2 days, I can't wall. It's not possible.
Ooh, was it well? Ready?
Everyone's toxic.
Mr.
That's
Trump
why
with
you
the big
turn off
wall.
the chat. Hey, Reese.
Yes.
I don't think I can come to your party, dude. Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
No.
I remember that. When I'm stomping on your fucking face.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
I'm joking. That's so good.
What do we...
Yeah, sure.
Okay, guys.
Wait, we're diving with Anna.
Never.
We haven't seen a Widow in a while.
Was the last game a draw?
They no, we counted it. No, we what? 4
Wait, it's an
seconds.
actual thing.
No.
Whoa,
Oh,
you
if
guys
it was
are
a real game, we would play another round and keep going.
You guys are actually in a Hearthstone tavern.
No.
Oh yeah.
This is why
New map.
New map.
To be fair, I've probably played on this map a max of 8 times.
I've never seen the like outside of the map.
So
You
yeah.
reckon they're gonna have a brig?
Blizzard World.
Let's gather round the hearth.
Say it. 5, 4,
Greetings and salutations, traveler.
Oh, you Barry, how was your birthday? Was it happy?
Oh god.
Hey,
So
you
yeah.
guys want to play Gwent?
Man, didn't
What are we doing? Why don't we let him
Widow,
DPS for his
Say on a
birthday?
salty note.
Now,
Wow, I nailed that.
Where's Mercy?
Widow was really low. I'm really low. Bubbling 4.
Waiting for you, Matt.
Yeah, I'm still half health, so. Still half health.
On Widow.
As much as I can.
You guys, come forward, come forward, come forward.
I'm on Genji, he's low.
Oh,
Genji dead.
Yo, tanks
On Widow.
Oh, yeah, Diva got me. Diva's on your healers. No! Big nerd!
I want my big back.
It's a lost fight, get up.
Say it.
I don't think we can run Ash.
Oh, they're sitting top right with
Is that-
damage boosted
Can we
Widow.
not run Ash? I don't think there's any point. We need just more dive.
I don't want to peek, but I don't.
Are we going in?
I
What's
mean-
going on?
If you disagree, you can just say no. I need a response
Okay.
though.
Alright, leaping in 2, 1, now.
Zen 1. He's dead. Reinhardt's left.
On Widow.
What's going on? Go into
I
Mercy.
would
Go
have
into Mercy.
really gone
I'm with you, Matt.
Widow dead. I don't have a bubble for that.
I can't believe I'm not there.
Reinhardt shattered.
Did he solo shadow me?
Zen 1. Got Zen.
You
Go
got
right
Genji behind, just wrecking still.
I'm not ready to hang.
We don't
Yeah.
know.
We're using ults.
How did she hit that?
Oh fuck. I want to switch to Zarya anyway. I don't like playing Diva right. This.
You dying or?
I will shut.
I'm
Mercy.
getting a
Good
kill.
frags, I'm going in.
Oh, he's got no health. And they rezzed Widow.
Stuck Reinhardt.
I'm so low.
Reinhardt's 1.
Can't get him. Oh, he's... Cool, gonna bob point.
Yeah, Bob Point, get in there.
Widow 1, Widow 1.
Going on Widow.
Zen 1. Genji's at main. Genji's main.
Yeah, I'm on Genji. I'm on Genji.
Thank you for res.
Baby Diva's still behind somewhere. There she is.
Thank you, Bob. Very cool.
Yes, Matt.
Thank you, Ryan.
Bob Carey.
Just don't exist, bro.
Oops, oops, I hit the wrong button. I meant to bubble, but I leapt into their team. I have literally 1 HP. Damn it.
Travel time
They're off Widow.
to Ash.
I'm just running.
She's sitting
He's already
bridge.
shattered.
Oh,
He's already shattered.
Why did my bubble not work, game? What the fuck? Why did my bubble not work on the Brigitte?
I'm going right up.
Cam, don't do it.
Where's you?
Payload stopped. Something broken?
Wasn't me.
Ash just
The other Reinhardt.
My barrier's about to go.
I got booped up.
Nice. Genji behind. He got away.
Yes, yes. Thank you for noticing.
Mercy's half. Mercy's
shit.
1.
He's sitting up top. He's coming to cart behind. He's on the healers.
He's one. He's one. He's dead. What's Reinhardt's HP?
They really beat that. I got trapped.
Yeah,
I'm
got a
gonna
Bob
back up.
coming up.
Oh, now they've seen. Oh, jeez. Okay, I'm dead. I'll see you around, boys.
This is all part of the learning process. Group up with me.
It's Genji's deflect down.
Where's their Ash sitting?
Raw damage of another ult. Yeah.
Genji. He's being healed, but there's nothing
I
to
get
heal.
so many boots. Shattering!
Genji down.
They got too high above the shadow.
Reinhardt behind, can we focus him?
Yeah.
Keep heals on me, keep heals on me.
Diva's make is 1.
Yeah, I tapped
Thank
you.
you.
And
No, you did good.
Genji's coming left top.
No, we killed him.
Giving you a little extra.
Did he get res?
Genji reflect. Oh no, there is a
I
Reinhardt.
guess he got rezzed, okay.
What the fuck? 3, 4.
Lucio 1.
I got
got
the
that.
point. Yeah.
Got point. Nice.
Oh well, yeah, well, I'm gonna die.
Fuck you, Bob.
All part of the learning process.
Reinhardt. He's 1.
Better soon.
They got an Ash.
Oh, the 1.
She's real low.
They're respawning.
Cool pushing cut.
Hey,
Yeah.
Genji on right. Genji can die, he's 1. Got him.
Nice. Oh, watch out, they're coming for you. No, okay. You're out.
88 on ult.
Got a Bob soon.
I'm under attack.
Oh, I'm low up top.
Shields taken
Their damage boosted it. Ah!
Make sure to drop shield 1 above you
Look,
can.
Reinhardt.
Yeah. Yeah, they just keep booping me.
Oh,
Oh, you got charged the millisecond!
I didn't realize he was there. Well, I somehow got it off.
Reset.
Yeah.
Oh. Full.
Very speeding.
That feels good.
She's just gonna get rezzed.
Lucio's literally running at me and booping me up
Oh, no.
for their shatter every time.
Come over here.
Hey, my crosshair disappeared, okay. This is fine. Hitting right. I've shattered.
Oh, I can't. Yeah.
Shattering. What? Okay.
Ash down.
Reinhardt real low.
Hit Diva. He ran a mech.
Can you raise me, Barry?
I can't. Oh,
If you don't, no.
yeah. No.
I have no idea how their tanks didn't get hit by my shatter.
Reinhardt shielded, but I don't know. how
Diva,
they-
okay. Diva definitely should have got hit. Reinhardt is questionable. Reese, did you see that bullshit?
What do we want?
I have an idea. Oh, 12 counters.
I mean, I could go hog.
What do you want me to play then?
Zach, you gonna play Torb?
I can't.
I don't mind.
I do like McCree more.
Is this what we're doing?
Um,
Talk McCree.
What heal?
Are we playing
Me and Centurion are just throwing. Me and Centurion are just throwing without picks. Easy clap.
We're gonna play point.
Yeah.
No, we'll set up back here.
Up top? Alright.
Yeah, with the turret.
Cool. Put the turret like here, I guess. Oh, yeah.
even
I can
shield
move
I was
back a
thinking
bit.
that we want to set up like over there.
There we go. Ooh, does that work? Maybe.
Oh. High ground advantage. Yeah, that'll work.
There we go.
It's so weird.
They're going top left.
Ha, joke's
That's
on
also
him,
not
there.
Widow. Widow Reaper.
Reaper 1. Reaper 1.
Their honor's really low.
They cap point, boys. Come on.
They dip behind.
Good.
You're diving me.
Dropping the point.
Two diving me, Diva on me. Diva mech 1, literally 1 health.
Yeah, my turret doesn't even hit like from there.
Okay, I'm going Reinhardt.
Temporary setback. Stop the payload.
Leave a half.
Just swap off the Torb next chance you get to.
Yeah, sure.
You better max.
Oh, nice.
Looking for Widow.
Widow
I found
top
Widow.
left.
I can forget it.
Widow's back by their Ryan. Widow's back by their Ryan. Watch out, guys.
Yeah,
Okay. Reaper was
you're a
there.
bit far ahead. Wait, yeah, you're Wraith formed.
Who's flashed? His shield's broken. Lucio on right. Honor is... I don't know where she is.
That Lucio is pretty throw.
Honestly, yeah. Yes.
He's like never with the team or anything. Moving my turret. Yeah, Reaper come on left.
I'll be watching for him, don't worry.
He's gonna boot me for a shadow. My shield's gone, my shield's gone.
Widow slept.
I got
Literally every
Thank
time.
you. Nope, didn't help.
They're actually so predictable. Just not doing anything about it. Like
Go
every
good.
time they shatter, Lucio runs at me and boops me into the air. And it's been that way for the past few maps.
What the fuck, Diva?
Yeah.
Oh,
Flood me, flood me, flood me.
yeah.
Blow me
Okay,
out.
I'm okay with that.
DM me, DM me, DM me.
No defense matrix. It's down.
I'm down.
I'll use dark when I get back.
Back up, back up. I'm gonna switch to what's her face?
Zarya.
Lamel.
They have Hanzo now instead of Widow.
Oh, that's okay.
I have Shadow.
Shadow? Oh, I didn't.
Call that shit!
Oh my god.
Sorry, Matt, I didn't realize.
Then I was just getting free real estate at the back.
I made a mistake.
Can I
However, I
help?
did.
Can I help Matt? Nearly there. Oh, I don't know how many. Diva's behind weak. She's nearly out of mech. They're gonna
He's so
cap
low.
One half.
About to hit the point.
I'm anti. Fucking kill me.
Ulting. Run high, no backline. I got that.
Oof.
Wow.
The Ana's getting so fucking free shit. I seriously feel like every game it's just that we can't kill the healers.
Lucy is
Yeah.
super everywhere.
Every
Yeah.
single shadow that they did was like a follow up to Lucio booping me up.
I mean there are a lot of times where their Lucio was low, but then their other healer that isn't as difficult to hit just healed them.
Oh, what is it? His mouse. It's just vibrating.
Pro Genji.
Oh, we would.
We won the 2 control points.
Oh,
and then,
I was stuck on top the
and
whole
we were
time.
faster on both
That wasn't a dude.
others. Didn't we defend Nambani? No, we didn't. Did
So
we?
is that it?
Yeah.
Are we done?
There you go.
Cool.
I feel like I'm getting better.
That's good.
No, I'm not an expert.